Whether you're looking to hit the lanes for a bowling night out or simply get a bite to eat, Liberty Lanes in North Liberty is the perfect spot for you. Craig got a chance to meet with the new owner, Charles Miller, about how he is honoring the traditions of the near 50-year-old business. Take a look.
Well, I'm gonna work real hard to not strike out today, or I don't know, maybe I should try to strike out. Charlie, what do you think?
Yeah, I would think you want to go strikes.
Yeah, so you, mister, have this great new enterprise right here in North Liberty.
Yeah.
Tell me about what you're doing.
Oh, well, it's just everything, really. We have the bowling, of course, and then we have a restaurant,
And pizza.
And pizza. Oh, yeah, and pizza.
So let's take one at a time. And so this bowling alley's been here for,
since about 52.
oh my gosh, right? That's like a generation.
Yeah. The previous owner had it for 47 years.
Wow, and so, gosh, he bestowed that onto your family.
Yeah.
That must have been hard for him, but the fact that it's going to keep going is probably important.
He's happy with the tradition, I think, that's coming in. He comes in all the time still.
Is he a good bowler?
Oh, yeah, he's got.
I'm so glad he's not here
names,
today because he would show me up. I just know it.
Yeah.
You're going to give me some lessons, though.
Sure, I'll throw a few.
Okay, good. Okay. Oh my gosh, what am I getting myself into?
Do you want me to show you what the kids do nowadays?
Do they do this?
They know. They do that too, the little ones.
Yeah, what do the kids do?
They do this
Oh yeah, I can't do that.
two-finger palming
I don't
thing.
get it.
And I'll show you what that's all.
Okay. I'm just going to try to get a strike.
Okay.
Are you going to be able to move that camera to see if I get it or not? Okay.
We can edit it. That is, man, you got a good shot. I tell you what, right there. So you came and showed me up.
Right.
How does that feel?
I'm never bowling any place but here. Let's
Okay.
do the pizza.
Sure.
Sounds good. I'm
I
hungry.
start off with the fresh dough that I make every day. You know, I wanted to keep the tradition of this place with that fresh dough and that pizza that they made everybody love.
Yeah.
So I kept that recipe. We're still using that, but we full-on menu as far as what we had to offer.
Because not only pizza, but you've got a full restaurant.
Yes.
And I understand it's probably really the only restaurant that's open for dinner in North Liberty. What kind of menu do you have at the full restaurant?
That varies, you know, great burgers. My Italian beef, I'll tell you that's
Top of the line?
top of the line.
Now your wife, she's got a part of this.
Yes, she does. She's a full-time nurse, so she's always busy.
So if I get hurt bowling, she'll be here to help me with the boo-boo. Right?
Sure, that's exactly right. Anybody fall down, she's right there
She's
to
right
help
there,
you.
and she might have to leave the kitchen to do it. But
Yes.
so she's a caterer too, right?
Oh,
She's
yeah.
got a skill set that is in the kitchen as well.
Correct. And we started out with like a little food truck. So that's where we were going to go with in the beginning. And, well, of course, COVID took
Sure.
those things away. So we looked at other little restaurants in town were for sale, and we started there. And then that's kind of, you know, so small that we wanted to expand, and offers came our way.
So how long have you had this?
We've had it since April 1st.
April 1st, and you've got 47 years in you?
Yeah. I have 54 in me.
We got another 47 at least,
Yeah,
right?
sure.
You got to continue that legacy. And
Yeah,
it's
we
such a
can do it.
cool thing because, you know, in a small town, right, a lot of times, besides church, there aren't a lot of gathering places.
No.
And that's definitely what you've created
And
here.
that's what I want more of. I enjoy the small town feel. The community is always reaching out to do things and help you.
Yeah.
And we try to do that same in return with the
It's-
little leaguers.
And it's great when people can bring their whole families
Yeah.
in here. It's a family affair. You can bring the kids and bowl and have pizza and just really, you know, have a great bonding experience. Teams, I've taken whole teams bowling. I think
yeah.
that's a super fun thing to do.
That's my biggest goal, is to get those leagues in there, get those kids off the games and back in those Saturday morning
Right.
leagues.
Throw those phones away and put a ball in their hands.
That's right.
That's a good motto.
Yeah.
You should do that. Well, I don't know if you noticed, but that was me getting a strike, and you can get a strike too at Liberty Lanes in North Liberty. You're not going to want to miss out. It's super fun, super quaint, super small. You can bring your whole family, and while you're here, you can visit Don's Country Café for some really great food. And until next time, here goes another strike. Oh, no, it's too far over. Don't show that.
Looks like so much fun. Liberty Lanes and Dawn's Country Cafe. For more information, give them a call at 574-656-3200 or check out Liberty Lane.